So it's occurred to me that I have no content, so I'm just gonna record myself making a bracelet for Margaret because I got her a watch, and the case of the watch has like pinks and blues, and I thought that I'd like try to make a bracelet that matched it. It doesn't match, but it's fine. And I also forgot to create the little loopy thing where she can tie the end of it too, so there's a lot of things wrong with this bracelet already, but anyways, I already started, so I can't really fix that now. My bad. Anyways, you can watch me make a bracelet. My shoulders hurt so much for making my anklet, but it's fine. Cool, so my phone just ran out of storage momentarily. It's fine. Vlogmas does that. Okay. So, what's cracking? I was kind of hoping to go shopping today, but it's fine. The more that shopping gets canceled, the less money I spend. And as much as I love spending money, I hate myself for it. So, it's good that I'm not spending any money. Also, my steps have been like less than 1,000 every day. I seriously don't get out of the house. It's fine, except it's not fine, and I'm going to die of obesity. It's a like legitimate fear. Legitimate? I can't talk. My teeth are so messed up because I was like biting my nails. Well, I like began to bite my nails one day. I was like this, and then something in my mouth like moved, and I think it was like the braces I have behind my teeth. So I'm also wearing retainers right now, and ever since then, for like one of the teeth that like I felt like moved, it's been like shifting past my front teeth. No, that came out wrong. It's been shifting past my, what are they called? Top teeth? Whatever. Basically, my underbite is coming back, but for only one of my teeth. So that's always fun. Am I right, ladies? Okay. Actually, I feel like a lot of guys watch my channel. It's kind of weird. Okay. My stocks aren't doing so hot. Not at all. It's fine. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, yeah. This doesn't look like a cute bracelet, but it's fine. You live and you learn. I'm just gonna keep on going. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. It's 12:47 right now. I've been awake for like an hour. I know my dad left some food for us downstairs. It's my parents' anniversary today. Same with Margaret's parents. But yeah, they're going to dinner tonight, which means they won't be back for a while. So I guess when my brother wakes up, we'll go to the mall. I think he wanted to go check out some electronics or something. Yeah, and I've been like getting so lazy about uploading. Like, I don't know. No motivation. Like, I'll literally just skip days and then combine them. That's like lazy stuff right there. Sorry. Guys, I need content. I have some like videos lined up. Not lined up, but like video ideas. I just haven't gotten around to them. But one would be great to film today because there's no one in the house. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, my siblings come back. My sister wants to do a remake of the Who Knows Me Better, but like, I don't know if I can come up with questions or something. Yeah, but that'd be fun if we did that again. It's funny, like I literally don't know how tall I am, but then I'll like watch the video and my height's there. But yeah, the last bracelet took me a couple hours, like a good like 5 hours, so that'd be awesome if this video was 5 hours. Also, I'm not gonna edit this video because, you know, whatever. So that's gonna be fun. I really meant to upload last night's video, but then I got really caught up in making this bracelet. Well, not this one, mine. Which is now an anklet. Should I show you my anklet? Okay, I'll show it to you. Okay. I'm sorry, I haven't shaved, like, whatever, I don't really care. It's not that good, but I hope that, like, once I shower, it'll, like, not be as stiff. And then I braid at the end right there. Yeah. Oh, shoot, I forgot where I was. Okay. Guys, I'm getting so good at this. Really, truly. Okay. I'm excited because Mark is coming back. And we're gonna have a bomb photo shoot. Oh, my backpack just fell out. And all my strings are tangled. Great. I wish I used not all these colors because it's actually not a cute combo at all. Like, not at all, at all. It's fine, whatever. I'm also gonna go to school tomorrow, high school tomorrow with Lily, hopefully. Oh, I can't fart because I'm not gonna edit this video. Dang it. It's fine. I'm gonna try and get a internship this summer, possibly at Glossier, but I don't even know how to write a cover letter. And my resume, it has nothing on it. Like, I have a music resume, but that's like it. So I need to create like an actual resume. I have one, but it's not good. Well, it's just not relevant, I feel like. I don't know. We'll see, guys. I'm applying in the spring, which gives me like a couple months to write it. But I don't know. Like, I don't, like, you're not taught cover letters in school. Like, that's just, it's, I don't understand how it becomes common knowledge, but it's fine. We'll get through it, guys. Yeah, what else is new? Nothing much. I passed all my classes, but my GPA is not high because econ ruined it. It's fine. Literally, econ is the only class I did bad in, actually. Like, the rest of my classes I got A's or A minuses, which I'm down for. I feel like I can make bracelets for like a week straight. This is so fun. Oh, it's an interesting pattern. Should I show you guys? Margaret watches my videos, but I'll show you anyways. Do you see that? Oh, focus, please. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but that's what it looks like. I'm freezing. My parents like just don't turn on the heat. Like, they're just that kind of parent, like those kind of parents who keep the house kind of cold in the winter. It's fine, but like not really because I'm kind of cold. You got plans tonight? I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan tonight. Oh, you know what song I like? Queen by Shawn Mendes. It's really good. I wish I was Shawn Mendes. Like, no, I don't, but I don't know. I feel like he's like a respected artist, you know what I mean? Like, you can get like a bunch of hate in the beginning. As if I get hate, like I don't. Except for my family, it's fine. I should really go to the dentist. My teeth have been bothering me. And also, like, I chipped my tooth when I bit into a fork. That was fun. I love when that happened. I was scared all my teeth were gonna fall out. Also, I should floss. My teeth are so gross. Whatever. I'm a couple 100 miles from Japan tonight. Can't get you off my mind. Can't get you off my mind. My shoulders hurt. Oh, how has it been 9 minutes? I made like 3 rows. Okay, JK, but like still. I'm still reading Michelle Obama's book. It's been a while. I haven't been reading as much. I've been reading since Thanksgiving. So for about a month now. I think I'm like halfway done. I'm a very slow reader, guys. But yeah, the book is really good. Like, I feel like President Obama, I feel like his book won't be as, I don't know, like as much of an easy read as hers is. Like, she's well educated and stuff. So you know, like when like Ivy League people, like they write and it's just so like difficult to understand for my minuscule brain. Oh, I sneeze. She writes like in a way that's it's very storytelly-y. I just sneeze so badly. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So her book is like pretty easy to read, and it's like funny at times, informative at others. Like I really like it. But I have been so lazy, so I haven't been reading like anything, not even the Bible. My mom comes into my room and she's like, "Have you been reading?" And I'm like, "Nope, sorry." I should really get like a speaker because I can't record and play music at the same time. You know what I mean? Oops, I messed up. My bad. Okay, come over here. Okay, whatever. You got plans tonight. So what's new with you guys? Comment down below. It has been like 11 minutes. This is really fun. I don't know, I have like nothing going on in my life, so it's like hard to update you guys about nothing, you know? I hung out with Lily and Frida yesterday. We watched Bohemian Rhapsody. I watched it during Thanksgiving break with my sister, but then I watched it again and it was still very good. Paul, no one likes Paul. Oh my god, I cannot believe he like ruined Freddie. It's fine. No, it's not fine actually. Well, it became fine, you know? Whatever, he ruined Freddie Mercury. I don't like Paul. What else did we do yesterday? We got Ralph's. It was so cold yesterday. It was like 32 degrees or something like that. That's what my car said. And it was very cold. But we still got Ralph's ices. It was good. Actually, the chocolate flavor tasted different. But I'm over it. And then I didn't eat dinner. But I didn't notice until like 11 when I got really hungry. But I didn't want to eat at 11 o'clock, you know. Okay. Should I show you guys how to make this? Okay. Right now, I'm pulling. Okay, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna pull so that all the strings join in the middle. Do you see that? That was beautiful. And then I'm gonna move these strings so they're opposite sides. Nice. Okay. And I'm gonna comb it all out. Okay, I'm gonna move these two long strings on the side out. Okay. Then I'm gonna go down into the empty notch. Right there. I can't do this upside down and whatever. Okay. Then I move this up there where it was. Oh, why is it coming out? Oh. Okay. Then we move this top one down to where the red one was. Oh, my brother's awake. Jonathan? Keep on going. Jonathan! Hello? Yeah. I'm making a video right now. It's just, it's not edited. So, unless if you want to be in it.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up an hour ago.
How did I just wake up?
I don't know.
What?
What?
You still want to go?
To the gym?
Yeah. Come on.
Not really.
Come on.
I just want to make this bracelet.
We only go like 30.
Ugh. There's chicken downstairs.
Chicken?
Yes.
Cooked chicken?
Yes.
Why?
Lemon and something.
They're taking my food.
Fine, I'll eat
Come on,
it.
let's go.
I don't want to.
Come on.
I don't like working out. Let's get lost tonight. Okay, this looks like a mess. I want to watch a movie tonight. Ew, he farted. I'm jealous. I really need a fart. Fart. Oh, also, if anyone knows how to write a cover letter, please let me know in the comments below. Because I'm desperate. Oh, I'm probably going to end up going to the gym. I don't want to. I always end up just like running like half a mile and then laying down on the floor, which is super productive. I should have Bluetooth headphones. I kind of do want Bluetooth headphones. I feel like they'd be very convenient. Get you off my mind. Why is that song stuck in my head? Jonathan, do you know how to write a cover letter? Yeah.
30 minutes.
Okay.
Alright. What do you say?
Do you know how to write a cover letter?
No.
Cool.
Any job application that requires them, I just skip.
Okay, perfect. We love older siblings, don't we? So helpful. Oh my gosh, it's turning out so well. Can you see it between all the strings? Okay. Okay, sorry, this is like really difficult. Focus. Focus, focus. Okay, I'm gonna go eat some chicken. All right, okay. I have little to no storage, low battery. I'm also gonna be simultaneously checking my email and editing this video, but let's get cracking on the rest of this bracelet. Tomorrow I have to wake up early, like 9 a.m. early, to go to the, that seemed like bad math. No, maybe not 9 a.m. 10 a.m. maybe. I'm gonna go visit my high school. Yeah, that's early. I'm also getting acai bowls before that with Lily and Melanie, so yeah. Oh man, I really should start working on that cover letter. Sorry? I don't know, I'm saying sorry. Isn't this so fun? I'm gonna have a blast not editing this too. It's gonna be so fun. Why is my computer doing this? Okay. I get so many spam emails. I mean, yeah, it's on my spam email, but like still, it's annoying to have to like go and delete all them. So I have, and I also haven't checked my email in like 2 days. So I have like 400 emails from this one thing, and it's always from Redbubble. So like if you like sell something it'll be like, you've made a sale, and also manufacturing invoice. And for each thing that you sell, you get an email for manufacturing invoice. However, the problem is that sometimes they'll send me like 40 of the same email, like the inconvenience. And I've like told them about this issue. They just don't care about me. I'm just kidding. I'm annoying. And then I'll have like coupon cabin. Like, I don't care. No offense. I just don't need this. Like, I need my Amazon emails and that's it. I bought Isabella, whom I have never met, but I bought her a bunch of Reese's peanut butter cups things, and should be arriving at her house tomorrow. Yep, I still don't know how we met. Isabella, I don't even know if you watch my videos. But do you know how we met? Lols. What should I wear tomorrow? I want to be like cool. Like, I go to college, but like not too cool. Like, to make it look like I tried. So I'm probably gonna wear a sweater. My green sweater, leggings, shoes, coat. Oh, it's gonna rain tomorrow, I think. Margaret's coming home tomorrow. Yeah, I'm excited. Then we're gonna spend all of Saturday together, I hope. Hope nothing goes bad. Someone hit my parents' car today. That's always fun. It's their anniversary. So happy anniversary, guys. Also to Margaret's parents. But yeah. So like, I wouldn't say our car's ruined, but it's like hit on the bridge too. So that sucks. But yeah, now I'm like scared of driving, because if I somehow crash a car, then that's 2 cars that we need to get fixed. And we literally just got a car fixed. Like, it's so annoying. Whatever. Okay, let me check my emails again. I'm just gonna pause the video. Alright. We have our 1 second a day video loaded. I'm excited for that. Yes. It's like a year in the making. Jonathan, can I scream really loudly for a second? Was that a yes? Boring. Okay, fine. I was gonna do a video of me screaming, but that's fine. Okay. I want to watch like a YouTube video. Oh, if I turn my brightness up, would that help with lighting? Okay. I want to watch a YouTube video while I make my thing without you hearing it, because I feel like that's illegal if you hear it or something. I'll watch a haul. A thrift haul. You see the reflection of my glasses? Okay, cool. Alright. I'm just gonna do this. I don't know what to, oh, wait, I have to reply to Lily's text. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. I love watching clothing hauls. That's what I'm watching right now. And Lily's gonna send me a request for our restaurant story game. Our game. No, not our game. Just the game, restaurant story. I hope this is as fun for you guys as it is for me. I don't know if that made sense. I won't know, because I'm never gonna watch this video again probably, because I don't want to edit it. What's the realness in editing, you know? You know what band I'm really liking right now? The Happy Fits. I think I went to either Manus or Interlaken with the cellist. Alright. But yeah, I think their band is like really good. I just like that kind of music. Should I play it? No, I can't play it. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Okay. And guys, I'm so proud of myself. I didn't allow myself to go shopping today. Like, I didn't buy anything. So, I'm thriving because I'm saving money. But I'm gonna like spend more tomorrow. I haven't had a good acai bowl in a long time. So I'm gonna go get acai. Oh, did I already say this story? Ugh, whatever. I'm gonna get acai with Melanie and Lily tomorrow in the morning. Sorry, Lily, you're texting me, but I just don't feel like moving my hand to change to the thing, whatever. Oh yeah, I was supposed to go thrifting with Afrida this morning, but she woke up late and so did I. So I'm kind of upset. I'm not upset that she like woke up late. I really wanted to spend money. Did I also say this? I'm not really sure. I always forget what I talk about. I literally always end up talking about the same thing like every second of my life. It's really annoying. Oh yeah, so I'm like trying to figure out how to layer a mock neck shirt because the one I have, it wasn't supposed to be a layering piece, but I got a large and it was still like cropped on me, and now I'm just thinking like it was supposed to be cropped. Also, it's a little see-through because it's from Forever 21 and it's kind of cheap and I don't want it to be see-through. So I'm gonna use it as a layering piece, but I don't know how to layer it. Drop down suggestions if you guys got it this far in the video. Okay. Oh yeah, here's my pulling part. Oh man, yeah, that's the good stuff. You want to comb it through. Do you guys like want a more in-depth instruction video on how to do this? Oh my god, this is so fun. Okay, we're gonna go, and we're gonna put it here, and then we're gonna go here. This is really difficult actually, and then we're gonna put it up here, and then we're gonna put this one right down there where we saw it, and then we're gonna use this one, and then we're gonna put it up here, and then we're gonna put this one down here, and then we're gonna put this one up here, and then remove this one down, and then put it into that, and then we're gonna put this one into here, and then we're gonna put this one over here, and then we're gonna go up, bring this one up, and bring it down, bring it down, bring it back, boys. Bring the beat back. Anything for you, Beyonce? I love vines. Okay, put that down, and then you want to put this one up. Oh shoot. Okay, you want to put it up here, and then you want to bring this one down, all the way down. Did I finish that? Yes. Okay. All right.
Do you know what we're gonna go?
No. Okay, and then you want to pull these strings. Perfect. I forgot where I was. But don't pull too hard or else the string could rip. Because these are cheap. Cheap, cheap. I think I did that wrong. I think I did that wrong. Yeah, yeah. Seriously, though? I think I did that wrong. Oh, because I forgot to pull my strings like I usually do. Okay. Okay. So now you comb, and then you do it all over again. Jonathan, did you fold the clothes? Jonathan? 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 Did you fold the clothes? Where is he? Is he ignoring me? What the heck? Too lazy to go check. Also, I just did the dishes, so if he's using those dishes again, I'm gonna kill him because he doesn't wash the dishes. It's so annoying. Anyways. This is a really fun video. This is really fun. I'm really enjoying myself. How about you guys? I messed up at this like one place. I don't know if you can see. You probably can't because it's a phone camera. But anyways, it looks okay. You know what this looks like? It looks like one of those rugs I had in my kitchen growing up. So that's always fun. Glad I figured out that color combo. Whatever. I think it's fun. It's cute. It's chic. We love it. Anyways, now you turn it. Oh my god, he's actually cooking? Is he serious? I'm gonna kill this boy. And he's wearing his noise canceling headphones, so I don't even know if he can hear me. SMH. SMH. I'm also getting bored of this video, so we're gonna do another one. Oh man, I love Infinity War. No, sorry, just like Marvel in general. I've also been watching this, what's his name? Jun's Kitchen. June, whatever. That was racist. JK, oh my god, I can't believe I'm not editing this. Okay, whatever, but, cause he has these adorable cats, and he, like, lets them smell their food, his food, and I just think it's so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna watch, should I watch one of his videos? Okay, whatever. Okay, so we pulled on those, and we're gonna pull on the middle string. Oddly satisfying, you did not see that at all, my bad. I don't know. I'm in love with my car. That was such a funny thing in the movie. Brooklyn Nine-Nine, best of all seasons. I love Brooklyn Nine-Nine. What 2,000 calories looks like? Girl, I already know. It's one cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. Okay. What did I even eat today? I had a banana for breakfast and some chicken. And then I had like some drink. And then I had... Then I don't remember what I had. And then I had my salad. 18 bananas is 2,000 calories. And 14 Cokes. Damn. That's nothing. JK. Oh, McDonald's fries. Let's see how many this is. I can eat like 2 easily, I feel like 2 large fries. Oh, I missed it. Guess we'll never know. Pizza. 7 slices of pizza? Oh, not even. 6 9/10 of a pizza is 2,000 calories. That's whack. 16 apples. Ooh, a Whopper. Those are good. 3 Whoppers. Okay, yikes. I can eat that very quickly. I love Whoppers. What 2,000 calories looks like at every major fast food chain. Oh, so satisfying. Okay. Ooh, I love when there's crispy bacon in my salads. I don't know. I haven't done a drive with me in a long time. Not like any of my videos were intentionally like drive with me, except for like my first time I drove to the library or something. I don't know what I'm saying. But I just like recording myself when I drive because I do the dumbest stuff. Today I was coming back from Target and I ran a stop sign. Okay, because it was dark, so it wasn't really my fault. but like it totally was. And my bad, there were a lot of cars. And I think one car was like trying to go, but I didn't see him, nor did I see the stop sign. So I'm not driving. It's fine. Okay. So many strings. Oh, I forgot to pay attention to the video. My bad. Okay. Ooh, yeah. That's the good stuff. Want to see progress on the bracelet? Okay, let's check the progress we're making. Oh, gross. Okay. That's what the bracelet looks like right now. And my video ended. Should I just watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine but like silently? Or if I do like... I just don't want me to get copyrighted, you know what I mean? Okay, let's watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Sorry. Andy Samberg is such a good actor. He's so funny. I love him. You know who else I love? Oh, such a good segue. Elon Musk. Oh my god. Just, oh my god. He was like tweeting about the new tunnels. And he put like a Tesla in the tunnel and had the video, and I was just like, oh, you know what I mean? It's very easy to infatuate me. That doesn't sound right. Yes. I love Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Okay. I don't want to pull all the strings. It smells. I'm bored. Let's check out my Apple Watch. You know what? I'm gonna take a pause. I'm gonna go gift Lily whatever she needs to be gifted. And then I'm gonna come back. I'm also gonna edit yesterday's Vlogmas because I forgot to. I didn't forget to. I just got tired. I didn't want to take out my laptop because the Wi-Fi in my house just sucks. Okay, whatever. What's up? I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna watch every Iron Man MCU armor ranked from worst to best. That's the stuff that's good.
Alright, legend.
Okay. While we do the bracelet. Oh, shoot. I can't tell if they're ranking right now because I turned the volume off. Remember that math video I did? I think it was probably before my Calc AB exam. I think I did me just doing some pre-algebra maybe. That was quality. It was like 30 minutes or something. I might have edited it to be less than 30 minutes. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it was just me doing like 8th grade math or something like that. And I was struggling. Oh shoot, I messed up. Okay. I love Iron Man. He goes like second after Elon Musk, who, by the way, was in the second Iron Man movie. Yes. This is really looking like that carpet that I used to own. I don't know if I like it or not. It's like the exact same carpet. Oh, the ranking. Iron Man Mark II. Okay, sure. Also, my parents are coming home, so fine. They had their dinner tonight, some pricey food, and my dad was like, I'll take you. And I was like, yeah. I just said yeah to make him happy. Roasted. Just kidding, I just don't want to spend that kind of money on food. Must be good food, though. Actually, I doubt it. Mark 42, you didn't like that one? That's fine. We all have different opinions. I was gonna say I'm super hungry and starving, but then I realized I'm not either. I'm just hungry. I can say anything I want because chances of anyone watching this video right now super slim. Is this the right one? Okay. I really want to go thrifting too, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Tomorrow I just want to spend all day baking with my mom because we're gonna give out, well, she's gonna give it out, cookies for Christmas to people in church, I think. So I think I'll include this part in my vlogmas because if I don't, then I have no content. Anyways, yeah. So I have to get rid of the thing and then I gotta put this in my vlogmas. Okay, I got just editing that. You know what show I haven't watched in a while? No, you don't, which I'm gonna tell you right now. New Girl. I haven't watched New Girl in a while. Oh, how did I mess up here? Okay. I really want to go thrifting. Maybe Margaret and I can go thrifting. I don't know. We'll see. We just want to take photos like all over the place. Mark 43? What? Sorry. I'm watching the video. But yeah, I could definitely go for something food right now. I'm not really sure what. It's not like I didn't eat today. I had a lot of chicken today, and then I had 2 boiled eggs. And what else did I have? I don't know. I don't like pepper. Fun fact, I don't like black pepper. But chances of anyone watching right now, impossible. Nope, no one's watching right now. I can like sense it. What if I split this video into like a couple parts? That like basically forces you to watch, right? No, this is gonna be like one of those videos where you just put on in the background while you're doing your homework like a good child you are, doing your homework. I support that. Like, you got my support, dude. Do your homework. But also, like, watch my videos. Mark 4. Oh, interesting. Also, bam. I want to go to Marshall's. Like, that's where the good deals are, for being honest. But thrift shop, good for the environment. That's why I like Depop. But also, like, everyone just jacks up the price because they name it vintage. Like, it's not vintage, honey. It's just old. Remember when, like, Champion sweatshirts were not $50 at Urban Outfitters? Yeah, me too. Literally, Urban Outfitters can, like, jack up the price for anything. It's so annoying. Like, why do any of us shop there, you know? I don't, because I'm too poor. Except for one time they had these, like, Chelsea boots in their sale section. They were, like, rain boot Chelsea boots, and they were so cheap. They were, like, $20 on sale, right? Because it's in the sale section. And I was going to buy them, but I don't really like pointed toe things. I mean, I'm getting used to it. But this was, like, 2 years ago. And I just, like, didn't do pointed toe. So I didn't buy it. But, like, to this day, I regret it. It's fine. They were just really fashionable and cute. Whatever, I'm over it. I'm not over it, clearly, because I still think about it, and it's been 2 years. Alright. Is anyone else having, like, loads of fun? Is it just me making this bracelet? Making my way downtown. Alright. some of the podcasts I listen to. I listen to 2 podcasts regularly. I listen to Pretty Basic, which is Remy Ashton and Alicia, is her name Marie or something? I don't know. I don't actually watch her YouTube videos. I watch Remy's sometimes, but not Alicia's. But I like their podcast. It's very like honest. And you know the feeling you're like, I'd be great friends with that person, but like in reality I probably wouldn't. But like I feel like I'd be really good friends with them. But like too bad I never will be. It's fine. Yeah, I like theirs. They talk about like stuff. Boys. And then Exposed, Matoki, and Emmett. I think they're really funny. So I like to watch them. I didn't even know who Matoki was until Asian Bachelor or whatever. And I thought he was like a 16-year-old boy. So it's fine. He's not. Yeah. Alright. Oh shoot, I messed up. I'm gonna go shopping. You know what I want? I want pizza. I haven't had pizza in 2 days. So yeah, I really want pizza right now. I had Blaze 2 days ago, as you saw in my vlog, which probably none of you watched. It's fine. Like I don't have a fan base. It's fine. Actually, another perfect segue I just thought of. Hold on, I'm gonna burp. Okay. In 8th grade, I had a fan base. It was called Lamatics. Original, I know. Actually, it is super original. But everyone would pronounce it Lamatics. And I was like, my last name is Lam, not Lamatics. So that like died out after 8th grade. And I actually don't even talk to like any of the people that were in it. That's a lie. That's an exaggeration. I talked to a couple of them. But yeah, those were the good times. Lamatics. I don't even know. 8th grade, just middle school in general was a wild time. Like, One Direction existed. Do you guys remember that? One Direction? Yeah. Still my favorite artist in the world. That was a reference to Exposed. Because they're always like, the best podcast in the world. Anyways, I just love talking. I think that's like the main reason why I started YouTube. Just kidding. The main reason why I started was actually because Lily and I made videos for each other. So yeah, also we got married in 6th grade, so get on that level. You can't. Still biffles, BFFLs forever. War Machine Mark 1, sorry. I like missed all of the rankings. It's fine. Oh, I feel bad. I don't really want to give this to Margaret because like I don't think it's beautiful. I just think it's like I want to give it to her because, you know, I made it for her and whatever, and it's a thought that counts, but honestly it's ugly as hell. I don't know, maybe I'll make it into an anklet. I think I gave her a pen bracelet for her birthday. I literally forgot that I gave something to her for her birthday, and then a couple months later I texted her and I was like, wait, did I get you something? I was like, no wait, no I didn't. And then I was like, yeah, I did actually. Yep. War Machine Mark 3 is the next. Okay, that's stupid. Actually, okay, let's talk Marvel for a sec. I am completely obsessed with the franchise. I think that Civil War is a really good movie. Also, just all the Iron Mans. Like, I love all the Iron Mans. I don't know how people could think he's bad. It's fine. I don't see the hype. Like, after Galaxy, like, all the movies after that, I don't really see the hype. It's fine, but it's actually not fine. It's not that appealing. Because, I mean, I didn't even watch Galaxy until 2017. because I was like, or maybe in 2018, I was like, oh no, actually, maybe, I don't know, whatever. I was like, why are there, I mean, why is there a raccoon in space? Like, that's so stupid, you know? So I just didn't watch it. I mean, it's not that it wasn't good, it's just, it's different from, you know, Earth. And I was like, okay, whatever. And then Doctor Strange came out, and that's honestly the worst one. That's actually, no, I can't say it's the worst one. It's the worst one of the ones I watched, because, you know, I actually still haven't watched Hulk, which I know, like, you don't really have to, because it's not like exactly what's his face, Mark Ruffalo. And then I also haven't seen the first two Thors, right? Because there's 3 in total, I think. Which, whatever, I've only seen Ragnarok. I've seen it twice, I think, and it's not bad. But also, like, I just could not watch Thor because the hair was so ugly, which is like mean. I'm the worst. Yeah, I just like couldn't get into it. Sorry, Chris Hemsworth. He's beautiful though. Okay. Yes, but I think my favorite Marvel movie. Oh, this is hard. I actually haven't thought about this yet. I just kind of brought this up myself. War Machine Mark IV. Okay, my favorite Marvel movie has to be. I don't know. Maybe just like Iron Man, the first one, because that started it all. I don't know. But if not that, Captain America Civil War. Like, I love that movie so much. And then it also has like Spider-Man goes into that movie. I was like, wow. I think it's very interesting how they integrated Spider-Man. But yeah, I think my favorite Spider-Man was Andrew Garfield because his face was adorable. Is adorable. Him and Emma Stone just like worked, you know? I mean, I guess they didn't in the end, but it's fine. Mark 44. Hulkbuster. Oh, I see you, boy. I think the Hulkbuster is so funny. Actually, I don't even understand like the Hulk. Ooh, you know who's Hawkeye. He's my beautiful boy. I do think that his family died, which is why he became Ronin. That's like my theory. You know, there's so many theories out there. I'm talking about Endgame now. Sorry, like switch topics there. This just looks like a carpet. I can't get over it. It's because I added the purple into it. Sorry, I'm on a different topic now, but I think it's because I added the purple and the black that really made it look like a carpet. Damn. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody makes mistakes, whatever. Mark 3. Oh, yeah. And then after, like, Civil War, I think I'm definitely gonna forget some movies. I don't see the hype in Black Panther either. Sorry, that was like not. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. And like Spider-Man, like it's okay, like it's cute or whatever, and I'd probably watch it again, but it's like not amazing. Also, like I don't understand the hype around Zendaya either. Who roasted? Maybe I will one day. I don't know. All I remember her is from like Shake It Up. That was the name of the show, right? She danced. And then she did Casey Undercover. Which I watched one episode. I watched the episode where it's like flooding in like a tunnel or something. I don't know. Also, I remember like another thing from her. She's like big feet inside a pool. Yeah, I just like don't know her. But like I don't understand the hype. Anyways, I think Ned is hilarious. Oh, the video's over. They're just zooming into Tony's face. That's fine. But yes, I love Tony Stark. Well, I love Robert Downey Jr. I think he portrays him very well. Oh man, all MCU movie trailers. I rewatched that movie. It's 45 minutes. Everything wrong with Avengers Age of Ultron. I watched the Everything Wrong with Infinity War. And then I watched Everything Wrong with Ragnarok. Or no, I don't remember which one I watched next. While I was packing to come home. I can't wait to come home. I'm on my way. Ooh, let's talk favorite songs. I'm sorry I didn't end up ranking the Marvel movies because honestly I can't. But yeah, let's talk favorite songs. I have a playlist called Nice. Hold on, let me find it. Playlist. Oh, here you go. Nice. And there are 10 songs actually, which is a lot. Let me read you the songs. And these are just songs that I can like listen to like all the time. I may be getting rid of the Hannah Montana one just because I like really liking indie right now, and it's just too poppy for the playlist, and I just can't listen to it like all the time anymore like I used to be able to. So sorry, Hannah. Love you forever. I'll probably put you back on the playlist like another time. Anyways, as of right now, the songs are Rivers and Roads, such a good song. Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. Oh, Rivers and Roads is by The Head and the Heart. Okay, I give up trying to make this bracelet video because my phone decides to just never have storage, and so now, okay, I don't know what I'm gonna say, but bye, and join me on my bracelet making adventures on my vlogs, on my Vlogmas. It's the same channel. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I hope anyone who got this far was doing your work and have a great time studying. If not, if you're just watching this for fun, you have issues.